Alright, this is not part 7, it's part 9. I felt that it was a little bit more... Sorry, this is part 10. I swear I read 9. That's going to be a problem if I read 9. You have to reorder that. But yeah, so this is where I'm adding hair to this. I thought this was really cool. Just experimenting with thickness and the way that it sits. And then there was partings as well. So there's 2 ways of doing partings. It's you can either do what I'm doing here and pull all the hairs to one side and hopefully you'll make a parting, or you can go ahead and select 2 sides of the scalp and then model them individually. Just trying to keep that hair up right there. I don't think she's got enough hair though, I'll be honest with you. I think at this point I got frustrated because I was kind of like, well, where's the hair supposed to sit? Yeah, let's skip ahead. So we're going with the eyes again. Nice little bit of makeup. It's not too bad. Kind of gets rid of that uncanny valley look. Bit of texturing. Yeah, okay. I can totally go with that. Loosening it up in places. Awesome. Yeah, I think we just have a little bit of brush off just here. It's not too bad. And she's got no skin texture either, primarily because I didn't know how to do that properly back then, so this is very basic kind of blender. We can go ahead and skip ahead. Look at that crazy hair, that's nice. I would rate that a 2 out of 5 because of the way that it is. I think that I probably would have done the mohawk in the middle and then put this as short hair. But, you know, for the time and learning how to do this, it's not too bad. Let's just go ahead a little bit. Oh, okay. I don't think I edited that properly because it's just blank at the end. But yeah, for this particular project, I think I did pretty well, but I wouldn't rate it as a 5 out of 5. I'd probably say this is a 3 out of 5. Just purely because this is kind of putting me off just a little bit. Alright, so if you guys are interested, the link is in the description for these videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.